Divide 764 by 4 in long division method. 4 times 1 is 4. On subtracting, we get 3. So this 3 is less than 4. So we put down this 6 and it is 36. 4 times 9 is 36. On subtracting, we get 0. So again we put down this 4 and 4 times 1 is 4. On subtracting, we get 0. So 764 divided by 4 is 191. So this much for today and thanks for watching.